Hey everybody, welcome back to Two Wild Wolves.
Today's adventure, we're gonna go. Ness is gonna take out a dirt bike. I'm gonna take the quad. Just go for a rip.
Yeah, just go cruise around the trails.
Get one of our last rides in, possibly before we start getting ready for sledding season.
Yeah.
There she is. Just ripping now. Gonna use a little more. Elbows up a little bit. Should be gold. Woo! Woo! Splashy! Woo! Bumpy! Oh, she dumped it. She was going a little slow. That's all. It's hard when she's got a tall bike. Go slow. Oh, she's got her back up at least. You okay?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I just looked like you were going a little slow and you hit that and it stopped you.
Yeah.
She's a little too short for the bike, so it's like she can't touch when it comes time to stop. It's a little harder for her that way. Ooh, I hit that log hard. Ooh, trying to keep up the dirt bike. Harder than you think. I'm gonna lose the backpack here shortly. We'll just re-secure that. Grab a gear or two here and come chasing after the dirt bike again. Yeehaw! Woo! Just ripping through these. Oh, she doesn't know the way. Oh, she found her own way. Trail for bikes is on the other side here, but that's alright. Woo! Splashy! Keeping the quad cool this way. Hitting these puddles pretty good. Some splashy. Woo! This is fun. Like when you're on a bike, this part is actually kind of fun because you're like up one side and around. kind of neutral. Both got a little bit of air off that. Ooh, it's a little roughy through here. Ooh, yeah. Pulling away here. Yeah, she's grabbing brake. It's crazy how that bike just pulls away. She just gives her some throttle on third and she's gone. Alright, well, looks like we're going towards snakes and ladders. That's cool. For these first couple, I definitely should lead. I don't know if we'll swap out after her down on the trail here. But the way she needs to go is over here. She went the right way. I broke that stick off one time with my freaking leg. She's got a good line. Woo! Most of this trail is like pretty flowy and stuff, so it's like once you start moving, it's just kind of fun to ride. It's wide, you know. It can be more of a beginner trail, but sometimes it's not about like riding, just practicing like she's doing right now. Elbows up, trying to get in that body position, squeezing her knees, and just having fun sometimes. It's just absolutely amazing to get out sometimes and just rip. Gotta not be right directly behind it in the roost. Yeehaw, Master Chief. Woohoo! Bang! And she's on it. The bottom there's kind of like a little puddle. Gonna definitely need to stay left, and after that there's kind of a flowy section. Woo! Fun ride, like just get out and rip. Smell of the bike, you know, smell of gas, the wind in your hair, the horses under your seat. We only live once, man. Get out there, have an adventure, push yourself, find a little bit of adrenaline, do something that scares you, you know, like just get out there, have some fun. Oh, we're coming into a bigger puddle here. I just saw her grab some gears. This one's a little deeper. Supposed to take the side. Oh, she made it. There she goes. And we're gonna get deeper than the floorboards. We should have just came played here that night. We were looking for puddles. This year the only year this is the only place where there is any. It's kind of weird. It's not so much that there is some that's weird, it's just that there isn't where there normally is. She's got to stay on the left side, and I got to stay, because I'm going to be on the right here. Try not to flip it. Ooh, she's not so bad here. This is the one where she gets a little deep on this side. I'll show you, boys and girls. There's the floorboards. I'm not stuck, I'm still moving. But barely. I'm gonna try. Going backwards out of this one. That hole is deep. See, she's deep, boys and girls. Ooh. I got high center there on that rut.
Alright everybody, so we made it down the trail. Woo, lots of crazy little adventures. Fun times riding the dirt bike.
That one feels nice. My flowy hair.
If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate all of you.
I'm into the rut here. Yeah, it's always fun out here, just having a nice little rip. Sometimes you squeeze it a little bit, right? Like that. We're moving at a pretty good pace though here. Got a couple decent little puddles coming up. Fun times! Staying in your lane on this like single track. campy spot here. Really kind of cool. Fire pit. When this is usually not in drought conditions, kind of like a little pondy lake. Because we're just going to, I think, do a loop today. We're going to go back a different way. We'll see if Ness even remembers it. See if I remember it. Like single tracking this again. Looking pretty good here. Ness is keeping up on the quad though. Oh, it's gonna get a little haywire here. You're ripping! You're ripping! You guys seen that bear? That was the baby. The mom was in the bush. Did you see the bear and cubs? The trail kind of goes like here-ish, and then I lose it sometimes over there. Reason is this takes us back out to like kind of the main trail. This brings out where there used to be an old MX track back here where somebody used to practice a bunch, and I really enjoy the little kind of weavy through here. Like if I stood up, I could just haul through this pretty easily. I don't know where Ness is, but maybe I'll drop it here. Take a look. Oh, there she's coming. She's moving though. Alright. Here we go. It is nice to be moving. It was getting hot. Just ripping. Now to go catch up to Ness. Run that single track out. Woo! A couple little not so fun spots through here, and then I don't know, if you're on the bike it's not too bad. Quadra, a little wider. Oh! I don't think she's paying attention. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What were you not supposed to do? Look at the tree, silly! Well, as you can see here, that was a little bit worse of a wipeout. Still holding coolant. I'm gonna rip it the quick way.
Gotta get home as soon as we can. Damn it! Now we gotta buy a part. Shoot!
You're like Evan. Hey, at least you lasted longer than 2 minutes. It's about perseverance, guys. Go get that running. Woo! Alright, so we're moving on. Heat's not being too bad. Still got pressure and coolant. Ness is out there just fogging it, revving the piss out of the quad, which is what it should do. Oh, it's still staying cool, so, and we haven't lost coolant yet, so I think we'll be okay, at least to get home. The radiator is just absolutely pooched, so. I don't even know where the trail is, I just don't. Alright everybody, if you guys are liking this content, we'd like it if you guys hit the like and subscribe. We're pretty much back to home. We just got this last little bit of trail. Yeah, we shreked the radiator today. That's alright, comes with the train. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.